In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QuickBooks company file. By the end, you'll have a clean, ready-to-use QuickBooks online company that's set up correctly from day one. First, head to the QuickBooks Online website. If you're new, choose Sign Up or Try Free. Enter your work email, your business name, and create a strong password, then select Create Account. If you already use QuickBooks, simply log in with your existing credentials. Using a business email helps keep work and personal records separate and makes future invites and notifications easier to manage. Next, QuickBooks will guide you through setting up your company. Confirm your business name as you'd like it to appear on invoices and reports. Choose your industry so QuickBooks can suggest a starter chart of accounts tailored to how you operate. Select your business type, sole proprietor, partnership, corporation, or LLC, so the right settings and tax labels are applied. Then enter your business address, a contact phone, and your tax ID. Be sure these details match what's on your official filings to keep reporting smooth and consistent. Now set your fiscal year. Open Settings, go to Company Settings, then Advanced. Choose the first month of your fiscal year and save. Most businesses align this with the calendar year, but follow your tax year or board-approved fiscal calendar. Getting this right at the start keeps reports accurate across periods. Choose your accounting method next. Under Settings, Company Settings, Advanced, set accounting method to either cash or accrual. Cash basis recognizes income and expenses when money moves, while accrual records invoices and bills when they're issued, regardless of payment. If you're unsure, check with your accountant. You can still view many QuickBooks reports in either basis, but the default here sets your day-to-day workflow. If you collaborate with others, add users. Go to Settings and select Manage Users. Invite employees, bookkeepers, or your accountant and assign permissions based on what they should see and do. Limiting access to only what's needed helps protect your financial data. Connect your bank and credit card accounts to automate transaction import. Go to Banking and choose Add Account, then securely sign in to your financial institution. Pick the accounts to link and the date range to pull. This saves hours of manual entry and keeps your books current. You'll categorize these transactions inside QuickBooks shortly. Finally, your company file is automatically saved in the cloud, no manual saving required. From here, you can begin adding customers and vendors, set up products and services, and enter any opening balances so your